Are you ready?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. So 1, 2, 3.
Hey ISEC, my name is Cindy Rocha and I am the Non-Corporate Relations Manager in ISEC International. I had the pleasure of being elected becoming Africa Director for 2009 and 2010, and now I'm here in Lisbon in Portugal on a follow-up meeting of the Europe-Africa Youth Summit. So we're on the Juventude Center. We organized a party by the African diaspora in Portugal. So why am I saying this? Not because we're having fun, that we are doing, but also because on all these 2 days we have been speaking a lot about cooperation between Africa and Europe. We have been speaking about the importance of young people working together to create a better world, and one important element of that is intercultural dialogue and institute exchanges, and is strengthening the capacity of youth organizations in Africa. So our expansion to Mozambique, it's one of the main projects that ISEC globally is running to strengthen cooperation between youth organizations in Africa, and I'm really happy that you are all taking the challenges to go to Mozambique and start ISEC there. I will be working very proudly with all of you, so hopefully I will see you very soon in Maputo. Ciao!